Okay, good morning, Vipla. Nyan me passenger mi travel le come down Meding. With I'm on the highway, push em Blusim Kesawai come down. Namelo chap tubla bridge and brook. Namelo sa tubla bridge. At tubla bus tasol em stop em transporti mol. Boy want to passenger lo Meding side konta. Come again lay come down sa same tubla bus. Tubla transportim la lay na kam. So name lap travel go kam lap to now this time hard straight.
You look at safety belong or general public and right long or go come on that.
Now first start you alright with it. Police go stop but man lo to ko namel sa time now na tomorrow by to by save too much.
Okay, thank you through MRN give some information to you. You now also you lose some so old man can RM now this la. Lady talk to police all by clear lo situation lo condition the road now long. To the bridge program. Thank you through.